Welcome to this explainer for Lesson 6.2 Shop This Way. Since you're taking this lesson on your own, remember that you can pause at any time to practice your speaking. Let's get right into it. Here's our agenda for today. We'll start with shopping vocabulary, then move to reading store secrets, and then grammar, where we'll look at determiners. After that, we'll dive into your final task, which is a customer survey, look at an example model, and finish up with how your survey will be graded. All right, Section 1, Shopping Vocabulary. Let's build up the tools you need. Here are 10 very important words you'll use all the time when shopping. We've got shopping cart, cash register, checkout, customers, department store, grocery store, price, sale, salesperson, and shelf. Go ahead and pause the explainer right now. Read these 10 words again and practice saying them out loud so you're totally ready to use them later. Moving right along to Section 2, Reading about store secrets. Our reading reveals some pretty sneaky store secrets. Stores are actually really smart. For example, they put expensive things right on the middle shelf. Why? Well, because that's exactly where you look first. They also put sale items on the right side, and they even use the smell of fresh bread to make you feel hungry so you buy more. Definitely think about that the next time you go shopping. Section 3, Grammar. Let's look at determiners, which are basically just rules for measuring things. Here is a super important rule. When we talk about things in general, we use words like no, some, or many, like saying, I bought some eggs. But when we talk about specific things, we just add the words of the. For example, all of the eggs were on the shelf. It's really helpful to put these grammar words on a scale to talk about your habits. 0 times a month is none or no. A little bit, like maybe 3 times a month, is some. 7 times is many. 9 times is most. And 10 times, or 100%, is all. And here's a very quick trick to remember the difference between no and none. It's simple. Use no directly before a noun, like there are no customers. But use none when you add of the, like none of the customers are here. Okay, Section 4, the final task, the customer survey. This is your main speaking mission. These are the 4 important questions you're going to ask your classmates. Let's read them. Do you prefer shopping with a friend or alone? Do you always wait for things to go on sale? What's your favorite place to go shopping? And what is one thing you don't like about shopping? Notice that every single question ends with why. It's really important that you explain your answers. Because you are doing this lesson on your own, I want you to follow these 4 easy steps to finish the activity smoothly. Step 1. Read the survey questions carefully to yourself. Step 2. Ask a partner or classmate the questions. You can easily send them a text, give them a call, or even talk to them before your next class. Step 3. Take short notes on their answers. And Step 4, share what you learned using our new grammar, the determiners. Section 5, the survey example model. Let's look at exactly what a successful answer looks like. Let's read this great example together. Most of the students in this class wait for a sale. Some of us like the grocery store, but none of us like high prices at the checkout. See how great that is? It uses our new shopping words like sale and checkout, and it uses our new grammar, like most of and none of. Try to make your sentences sound just like this one. Finally, Section 6, Grading your survey. Let's look at how your teacher will evaluate you. This simple rubric shows exactly how to get a perfect score. First is fluency, which just means speaking smoothly without stopping for a long time. Second is accuracy, meaning you use correct grammar. Third is target language, so you need to use our new words like cart and some. Fourth is content, meaning you answer all the questions fully, especially the why parts. And fifth is creativity, which means you add your own fun and interesting details. So, we have covered everything you need for Lesson 6.2. You have the words, the grammar, and the steps to succeed on your survey. Now, it's your turn to start the mission. Begin by asking yourself this question right now. What is your favorite place to go shopping, and why? Think about your answer, use your new vocabulary, and get ready to share. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy studying!